preparation of soil. Soil provides minerals, water, air, humus, and fixes the plants firmly to the ground. The soil is prepared for sowing the seeds of the crop in the following steps. 1. Plowing. 2. Leveling. 3. Manuring. Plowing. The process of loosening and turning the soil is called plowing or tilling. It is done by an instrument called plow. Leveling. The plowed soil is leveled by pressing it with a leveler so that the topsoil is not blown away by wind or drained off by water. Thus, soil erosion is prevented. Agricultural implements. The main agricultural tools used for loosening and turning the soil are plow, hoe, and cultivator. Plow. The wooden plow consists of a long log of wood called plow shaft. There is a handle at one end of the plow shaft. Below the handle is a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. The other end of the plow shaft can be attached to a wooden beam. This beam is placed over the neck of two bullocks or buffaloes and is drawn by them. The plow is pulled by the bullocks. The farmer holds the handle of the plow and presses down the handle, due to which the plowshare digs into the soil, loosens it, and turns it. Nowadays, wooden plow is being replaced by the iron plow. Hoe. Hoe consists of a long rod of wood or iron. There is a handle having grip at one end of the hoe. A strong, broad, and bent plate of iron is fixed below the handle and acts like a blade. The other end of hoe has a beam which is put on the neck of bullocks. Hoe is also pulled by animals, such as a pair of bullocks. The hoe is a kind of modified plow. Cultivator. It is a tractor-driven agricultural implement used for loosening and turning the soil in the fields quickly. A cultivator has many plowshares which can dig into a considerable area of soil, at the same time loosen it and turn it. The use of cultivator saves labor and time, as many fields can be plowed in a short time by using a cultivator. Nowadays, plowing of large fields is done by using the tractor-driven cultivators. Sowing. The process of scattering seeds in the soil for growing the crop plants is called sowing. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. These are clean, healthy, and are free from infection and diseases. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give high yield of food grains. Activity. We can select good, healthy seeds for sowing as follows. Put all the seeds in bucket containing water and stir well. Most of the seeds will settle down at the bottom, whereas some seeds will float on top. The healthy seeds are heavy, so they sink in water. The seeds which have been partially eaten by pests or damaged by disease become hollow and light, and hence float on water. The seeds may also be treated with fungicide solutions before sowing to prevent the seed-borne diseases of crops. Methods of sowing seeds. There are two methods of sowing the seeds in the soil. These are broadcasting. The seeds are taken in hand and gradually scattered in the entire plowed field. This method is not so good as there is no proper depth at which the seeds are sown, and the seeds scattered on the surface of the soil can be eaten by the birds. Sowing with a seed drill. A seed drill is a long iron tube having a funnel at the top. The seed drill is tied to back of the plow, and seeds are put into the funnel of the seed drill. And as the plow makes furrows in the soil, the seeds from the seed drill are gradually released and sown into the soil furrows made by the plow. The tractor-driven seed drill has 5 to 6 iron tubes joined together with the common funnel at the top. When the seeds are put into the funnel of such a seed drill, the seeds are released through all the tubes and get sown into 5 or 6 furrows of soil made by plow simultaneously. The sowing of seeds can be completed quickly through this method.